Hey guys, TechSnackles here with a small walkthrough, new features and other stuff with the software update 3.0 for the PS Vita, which has been out for a while, but I just recently decided to update it and take a look at the new features since I heard it's kind of big. Problem is I don't have a PS4, and what this comes with is some PS4 stuff like PS4 Link. Now, PS4 Link, if you haven't heard about it, it basically allows you to remote play or use the PS Vita as a second screen, which is a feature to the PS4. So basically, remote play allows you to wirelessly play games streaming from the PS4 straight to your PS Vita in case you don't want to use a TV to look at it. Also, second screen is only able with some games that allow you to, basically it's an extra feature. So if you're playing a game on the TV, this one can be used like if you want to add some stuff, I don't know, whatever the developer decides to put in here. So we can have more controls here, or you can, for example, have the map of the game you're playing here. Besides the PS4 Link and those features, there have been minor improvements to the UI. At least for me, I feel it's much snappier now and much more responsive. Effects seem to be smooth, which wasn't the case before. So everything just seems smooth. There hasn't been a big upgrade to the PS Store, which is a bit disappointing. I still don't like the PS4 on the PlayStation Vita. I still think it lacks in terms of visual and accessibility. It's just not that nice to use. At least that's what I think. Go into one of the new features which will come in handy, which is in our Store. You can find now. You can download update file for system software. Basically means you can automatically update your system. So auto start is basically you can set which applications and features will start automatically, and now you have updates, which is always awesome to have. Control Center has also had a minor improvement. So if we just hold down the PlayStation button, you also have now prioritize chat audio for party or disable microphone. And you also have now more visual controls over flight mode. You can activate quickly here, and Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth feature. And the new thing you'll notice as well, if you go to photos, is Panoramic Camera. Allows you to take panoramic shots, which is, well, not the thing you will probably be doing with your PS Vita. It's not very easy to use as well. It's quite strange, and the camera isn't the best in the PS Vita. So if we go here to the panoramic shot, it's quite nice to browse like this. But once you try and go into the panoramic view, which allows you, it's a pretty cool feature. It allows you to basically browse around using the motion detectors in your PS Vita. But it's still not a very nice camera. It still doesn't have a very nice view. As you can see, it's a bit weird, and it isn't the best camera at all. You can see it doesn't take best panoramic features. So as well, it's just a little feature added. It doesn't really have a lot of functionality. There have been small improvements here. Friends, for example, has a little bit of a better UI. It's now much easier to find your friends and to control your friend requests and everything directly from the PS Vita. You also get parental controls now, which basically, if you're a dad, this will allow you to control your child mostly if you don't want them to be playing this 24/7. Obviously, it's not very good. You can easily control the PS Vita, setting up parental controls for something, what you want to block, what you don't want to block, and how much can they play. So you can add restricted per day or a daily total, which is pretty awesome. There's some pretty cool features here, and great feature for parents. Another thing is Party has been, as you can see, there's a new logo to it, and you can now voice chat with your friends in PS4s directly from the PS Vita, which is pretty cool. There have been some small add-ons to everything. You'll probably, if you browse around, you'll find here and there some few add-ons, like email, for example. I think now supports Yahoo and Gmail. At least I've heard. I'm not sure if they had them before, but I also don't use mail on the PS Vita anyway. Everything just seems a little bit snappier and seems to be a good update. Obviously, there are a few things that PlayStation still needs to update here and to make it much snappier. Now it seems snappier, obviously, than before, but a few things that it needs to improve. But overall, I'm very happy with this update. What do you think? Leave in the comment section below if you own a PS Vita and you have opinions on this new software update, and leave your thoughts down below. Then I thank you all for watching. This was a little walkthrough the new PS Vita software 3.0. Thank you as always. Leave a thumbs up if you want more videos like these, and also be sure to check out the channel for more content like this, and for other stuff, be sure to subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and see you all in the next video.